Hello driver, so today I have a 2010 Mazda6i here with me and I'm going to show you how to change oxygen sensor. There was an engine light on the dashboard and I used my auto scanner and it says bank 1 sensor 2. So I burn a little gas. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, this is a 4-cylinder and bank 1 mean is just basically just the first, which is the side where the number 1 cylinder is, and then the first oxygen sensor, that's not going to change, but the number 2. So when it said bank 1, bank 2 sensor is the problem, you got to go to bank 2. So this would be bank 1, the first one coming from before the catalytic. Alright, and the second one is down there, hope you can see. So I'm going to change one in the bottom there. So with this oxygen sensor, you want to get it from the bottom. So what I did, I jack it up high enough from the frame itself, not from the regular jack spot. I go underneath a little bit. So you can see the frame right there. At least you get a better lift up to lift the vehicle up. At least you can lift the vehicle up more better with the jack. Alright, and now we're going to get more room to remove the oxygen sensor. Always remember your special tool when you're removing oxygen sensor. Okay, you need one of these tools, or if you could get one of those wrench that can go around with the right size. So what you want to do, you want to make sure put the socket or the special tool over the oxygen sensor first. Then you get your ratchet next, then remove it. Okay, so the socket didn't work, so I have to use a wrench, but you want to use the wrench the same size and put over the oxygen sensor to loose it. Okay, so what I usually do, I usually drop the oxygen sensor from top of the engine. So when I go underneath the engine, it's more easier for me to make sure I don't have a hard time. Just drop it down there like that. Sorry about the... Alright. So as you can see, that's the oxygen sensor that was triggering off the engine light on the dashboard. So I think it's malfunctioning or it's going bad because the engine light come on and off. And then it's what I would say, you lost more gas when the oxygen sensor not working. It's run lean, so I just rather just buy a new one. Okay. So as you can see, the connection. As you can see, the connection is right here, which is the bottom one. In this right down here. This is one I'm gonna lose and just replace the new oxygen sensor connection, which is this. Okay, and then we should get the engine light off. Okay, so once you connect back your oxygen sensor plug, all you gotta do, usually what I do, I remove the negative side of the battery to reset the engine light, but you don't really have to. Once everything is good, you should be able to drive come off once you drive like maybe 10 miles. So all you gotta do is just go ahead, turn on back your engine and drive for 10 miles and it should be off. Okay, so hopefully this helped.